if you would like to have a too long didn't read sentence from my side, then, and this is really the current state, then I would say that agents are kind of systems which can somehow act autonomously and proactively. This is the basis where I start talking about agents. Of course, I heard a lot of other definitions. I learned also from Andrew Ng. This is personally a definition which I really, really like, where he says that agents, from his perspective, should have 4 features, which is reflection, which the ability to use tools, planning, and to have the ability to collaborate with other agents. So this is something I like also personally. But I have no problem if somebody states something like this: my thermostat is an agent. So because really I listened or looked also for other papers and just to learn what an agent is. And I think in the 50s, this term is somehow firstly defined. I'm not sure, but I found a very, very good introduction or definition from Wooldridge and Jennings from 95, Intelligent Agents, Theory and Practice. And basically what they state there is also having some features related to an agent, which is autonomy, reactivity, and social ability. And this social ability you can translate also to a term like communication. So it should be at least able to communicate with other systems. And a thermostat from that perspective, of course, cannot communicate with other, let's say, persons or systems, but it has the reactivity feature in it. So that's why I can say this is, for me, absolutely okay if somebody says this is also an agent, because it always depends on the context. This is also crucial to say here. If you talk about agents, then consider the context you have around that, and then you are good to go, I guess. And nowadays, maybe the last words for the definition of agents from my perspective is, besides these 3 basic properties an agent should have, and nowadays there are 2 more, and this is already mentioned also by Andrew Ng. This is planning and the ability really to adapt. So I think if you go with that approach, then you can hold some discussions about agents.